7 Easy Ways to Earn $10,000 Monthly in 2023. Listen up, it's 2023 and it's time to put an end to procrastination and get your life on track. That's why in this video, I'll present the 7 most effective methods for earning $10,000 every month this year. You need to be aware that making the wrong choice in your approach will severely impact your chances of success. Choosing the wrong model and strategy will cause your efforts to fail. This is especially true for the first method I'll discuss, which is dropshipping. Even in the past, I've not been a big supporter of dropshipping. In my view, the dropshipping model is declining, and I believe that 90% of dropshippers will eventually fail. Please note that this is just my personal opinion, and I could be wrong. When starting a business, it's crucial to choose a business model that provides a favorable risk-reward ratio. I have seen repeatedly in recent years that people spend thousands of dollars on advertising, continually pouring more money into ads in search of a winning product, but to no avail. The beauty of 2023 is that you can take advantage of free traffic sources such as TikTok Reels and YouTube Shorts to validate your product when it comes to dropshipping. The most crucial aspect of dropshipping is not having a flashy headline or creative, but rather product selection and timing. For example, in 2014 or 2015, fidget spinners were all the rage, and if you had found that product then, you would have made a lot of money. But now, fidget spinners are no longer a winning product. Hence, it's okay to keep looking for new winning products as long as you're not wasting money on advertising. That's why I would still consider dropshipping a viable business model in 2023. The next method for earning $10,000 a month in 2023 is not ideal for everyone. If you're not a natural salesperson, relying on your sales as your full-time career may not be the wisest choice. However, if you're not intimidated by sales or have a natural talent for it, then becoming a high-ticket closer can be extremely lucrative. There are solar companies, agencies, and software companies that are looking for salespeople, and in some cases, sales representatives at my company, Agency Flow, are earning $10,000 a month by speaking and selling to our enterprise clients and promoting our solutions to prospects. This method is based on commission and allows you to work from virtually anywhere. In certain countries, it can be challenging to find remote sales positions for some companies. For example, companies may not prefer to hire remote sales representatives in Australia due to the challenging time zone. However, there are still many sales roles available within Australia and New Zealand that are ideal for remote workers. The great thing about sales is that a lot of successful billionaires have started their careers in sales, and it's a skill that can be beneficial for life. It's not necessary to pursue a career in sales, but having a basic understanding of it can be beneficial. Another way to earn $10,000 a month is by starting a YouTube channel and making money through AdSense. However, the key to success is having a good strategy. It's important to learn that vlog channels may not be as profitable, and you need to understand the CPM, or cost per thousand views, which can vary greatly depending on the industry. To be successful on YouTube, it's crucial to create engaging content with interesting titles and captions, and keep the audience interested. With the right strategy, it's possible to earn anywhere from $2,000 to $100,000 a month on YouTube. This is something that I have personal experience with and can attest to its potential for generating a significant income. Moving on, everyone has their own unique skills and areas of expertise that they've become knowledgeable about and passionate about. This is where online coaching becomes an excellent opportunity to make $10,000 a month. For example, if you've experienced health issues and have spent years studying gut health, autoimmune conditions, and the gut microbiome, you can help others by sharing your knowledge and experience. There are many people and companies that are willing to pay good money for help organizing their data and systems, such as Google Sheets. For those who have expertise in setting up home offices, lighting, and smart systems, there is also the potential to earn a good income through online coaching. For example, if you have experience setting up smart systems in a home office and someone were to reach out to you for help, they would be willing to pay you a substantial amount for your expertise. The same goes for anyone who has a keen interest in and expertise in a particular area, regardless of whether they had previously considered turning it into a source of income. By offering online coaching in 2023, you can make a good income from your skills and knowledge. The next method for making money online is through affiliate marketing. This option is appealing for those who don't want to spend a long time developing a product, building a company, and risking their own money as a traditional entrepreneur would. Affiliate marketing is a simpler and easier option for becoming an online business owner. It's much easier than starting a traditional business and provides a better quality of life. Instead of worrying about complicated corporate structures, employees, and investments, you can simply focus on promoting and selling your product or service through an affiliate marketing program, which most companies offer, including Amazon. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative income source for you as long as you're able to drive traffic through blogs, videos, Facebook groups, or Discord groups. You can recommend software products and receive a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. Of all the affiliate programs available, software products offer the best income potential. For example, some people are making $20,000 a week from promoting a software program through a YouTube video. If the software company has a good affiliate program, you can receive a monthly recurring income for promoting their product. The next method that I want to talk about is for people who prefer solitude and writing. They enjoy being in peace and quiet and don't want to be in front of a camera or in the public eye. For these people, copywriting may be the perfect fit, as it involves selling to many people through the written word. There are a wide range of companies, including e-commerce, software, and education companies that require copywriting services. This is an opportunity for people who enjoy writing to get paid well for their skills. You can make a good income by venturing into copywriting. This involves the art of persuading a large audience through written words. Companies like e-commerce, software, and education have existing customers and leads that they have spent money to acquire, but often these leads go unused. By providing email marketing or copywriting services to these companies, you can help them generate extra revenue from their current customer base without having to make your face public. You can negotiate a deal where you receive a percentage of the extra revenue generated, for example, 10%. If you bring in an extra $20,000 for a company, you can receive $2,000 for yourself. By working with 3 or 4 clients in this manner, you can earn a substantial income in 2023 without having to make a public appearance like in coaching, YouTube, or high-ticket sales. The final business model I want to suggest is my personal favorite. It was the first business that made me a millionaire and allowed me to start my software company. This model is starting an online boutique marketing agency. In the early years of my agency, I did everything myself, but then I realized that major companies like Uber, Airbnb, and Expedia focus on delivering a great experience, not necessarily the actual service itself. So I applied the Expedia business model to my agency, delegating tasks and allowing others to deliver the service for me. The concept involves contractor arbitrage, where you can sell your services to businesses in different countries, such as France, England, and the US, for a high monthly fee, even though you may only be paying your contractors a fraction of that amount. This is because the clients are looking for new ways to acquire customers, be it through short-form content, email marketing, or sales, and are willing to pay a high fee for it. The key to success in this model is to focus on acquiring clients and providing them with the best agency experience possible. You need to find skilled and dedicated contractors who are willing to work for a lower fee and make sure that your clients are satisfied with the services you provide. The large advertising agencies that generate $100 million and have those fancy offices, do you know what they do? They hire cheap interns and college graduates and have them work for them, then charge a 10 times markup to their clients. You're doing the same thing that these big agencies do, but you're doing it more efficiently, remotely, and by utilizing the entire global talent pool to provide the best service to your clients. This is truly a model with limitless potential. Of course, you should aim for a monthly income of $10,000, but you can reach $20,000 or even more depending on how far you want to take this business model. My suggestion is to not limit yourself to the typical Facebook ad agency. Consider expanding into other areas, such as a short-form content agency. I was recently ready to pay an agency $20,000 per month for my short-form content needs. There are agencies for Discord moderation and customer support, among others. Don't restrict yourself to just Google ads or Facebook ads. Get creative and find a service that your target market or industry requires. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.